Read, think, digest, and make it an integral part of your life. Welcome to my channel Pustak Parichay. Today I am going to tell you story from Sham's mother book Mori the cow. In Sham's house they had Mori cow. Villagers said that there was no such cow in the village. She was graceful. She was tall, well built, and quiet. She was healthy cow. They used to take good care of her. Sham's mother get up early in the morning. She would get into the shade to give grass to the cow. Cow is God. This status is given by ladies. Nowadays, there is no cow worship. Earlier, even when the neighbor's cow entered our house, people would feed her with roti and grain. Nobody would hit her. But now, if the cow entered the premises, it is sure to get hit. Owners' cows are also made to starve. They do not get food and water in time. She swallows whatever she finds on the road. She drinks the dirty water. We have made the cows to beg, and this has resulted in our begging. As the saying goes, reap what you sow. Mori cow loved Sham's mother. When you give love, you get it back in two folds. The cow would lick mother's hand. Whenever the cow would listen mother's voice, she would moo. Mother used to milk the cow. Cow would never allow anyone to milk her. If any other person tried to milk her, she could came to know by the smell of the person, she would kick others. Mori cow was a luck factor of their house. She was god of Sham's house. She became a victim of a disease named Pilak. The animal died banging their legs within 1 or 2 days. Mori cow got affected with this disease. They gave her treatment, but she could not recover. She lay helpless on the ground. We prayed to God to save cow, but their prayers were not answered. The cow was dead. The day the cow was dead, mother did not eat food. Mother was feeling bad for the loss of cow. Only a loving soul can understand the pain of loss of loved ones. Sometimes mother would say, with the death of Mori cow, the fortune of the house has also turned against us. From that day, disputes started in their house. Charkha and cow are the two symbols of support and deities. Unless we start giving respect and showing care of these two things, there will be no escape from sorrows. If one see the cow in the street, folding hands does not mean cow worship. We have become hypocrites. We worship God but trouble our own brothers. We give the cow the status of our mother, but we do not feed her. We give the status of mother, but we do not feed her. Therefore, we do not get her milk, and even if we get it, it does not taste sweet. Those who pretend to worship or show false devotion would land in hell. From this story, we understand that we have to love animals without any selfishness. Thank you.